Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Logitech Jaybird Vista 2 earbuds and you need to do a soft reset on them or a forced restart. Now you're going to want to do this if these earbuds are not connecting to your Bluetooth or not pairing with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of the left or the right ear, or if you're having any kind of issues like that, but you do not want to do a factory reset. You don't want them to lose their pairing history and you have to repair them and everything like that. We just want to basically force it to power cycle to see if this fixes the issue. We can do this really easy with these earbuds. And by the way, if this doesn't work, then you can move on to a factory reset. And I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to the instructions on how to do that. But basically, to do this soft reset, all you need to do is put the earbuds in the case as shown here and then close the lid. And then once you close the lid, you want to plug it in and have it connected to a power source so that the case is charging. Now when you do this, this will automatically turn off and disconnect the earbuds. So let that just charge for several seconds. After that, you can just go ahead and open the charging case and take the earbuds out, and they'll turn back on, they will have been power cycled, and you can try to connect them and see if that doesn't fix your issue. And if it doesn't, you can move on to the factory reset.